Hello my friends, today let's learn something about how to troubleshoot our internet or our network through the CMD. First of all, you use Windows R and then you write CMD, then we enlarge, we zoom in. The first thing we are supposed to understand is what is our internet. What is our IP address? By using that command. So if you're using Windows, you use ifconfig. If you're using Linux system, you use ifconfig. So my IP address is 192.168.100.72 and blah blah blah, and also my gateway, that is my gateway. Let's use another command, ipconfig /all. So we got all these. Then here we get the other wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. You'll see everything that we need. So, and we will be able to see the list. The list is obtained after 24 hours per day. So maybe by tomorrow I'll get another IP address. After then, we use another command, ipconfig /help. We'll be here by clicking help. We will be able to see all the other commands. For example, here we can use ipconfig /renew. You renew the lease. You can use the flash DNS, register DNS, different commands that we can use under ipconfig. For example, let's say you have lost your internet. You're supposed to use ipconfig then /release to release the word IP address. Then after there, you are going to lose your internet signal. Then we use another command, renew, to renew the IP address. You can see our internet, and since the lease is at 24 hours, we are still having the same IP address. Let's see the cache, what I hold in my cache, by using ARP. So you will see all the places where I visited. This is the IP addresses of different sites that I have visited. After there, we can ping. It is a powerful tool. Let's try to ping 239.255.102.18. Let's try to ping www.google.com is the site. Let's now try to ping anything. Let's say try to Google www .1xbet.com. So you can see we can be able to reach the site. So let's thank you for watching the video for today, and we are going to learn more concerning how to troubleshoot through your Windows machine using the CMD. Thank you.